Welcome to this exclusive software demonstration. Today, you're about to see a platform that's changing the way people build affiliate businesses online. Before I show you the software, imagine if you could launch a complete commission-generating affiliate business in the next 15 minutes. Not just another funnel, not just another landing page, not just another AI tool, but a complete business that attracts visitors, captures leads, builds your email list, and automatically sells affiliate offers through done-for-you automated webinars, even while you're away from your computer. That's exactly what AffiliMachine AI was built to do. AffiliMachine is the world's first AI-powered affiliate business builder that automatically creates the three core assets every profitable affiliate business needs: a traffic engine that brings visitors into your business, a lead generation system that captures subscribers on autopilot, and an automated webinar sales machine that educates prospects and promotes affiliate offers around the clock. Instead of spending weeks or even months trying to connect funnel builders, email software, webinar platforms, traffic tools, AI writers, and dozens of complicated integrations, AffiliMachine builds the entire system for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how it works. You'll see how someone with little or no technical experience can go from a blank screen to having a complete automated affiliate business ready to accept traffic in just a matter of minutes. And by the end of this demo, I think you'll understand why I believe this is one of the biggest breakthroughs the affiliate marketing industry has seen in years. Let's dive in. Enter your login details and click on Login. Once you log in, you'll be taken directly to the dashboard. The dashboard gives you a quick overview of your account performance. You can see the total number of published funnels, the total leads captured through your webinar registration pages, and the total webinar views. You can also monitor the number of leads captured weekly right here. On the sidebar, you'll find all the menu options that help you navigate through the different features built into the DFY Webinar Funnels platform. But for the sake of this demo, let me quickly walk you through how to launch a profitable affiliate webinar funnel. To begin, click on Templates. This takes you to the professionally designed library of 51 done-for-you webinar funnels for top-performing offers on JVZoo. Simply browse through the offers and click on Use for the one you want to promote. For this demo, let's activate the first offer here called Guru OS. Click on Use. This opens a quick setup interface where you can enter the name you want to use for your funnel. Input your funnel name and click on Create Funnel. Great. This opens the editor for the webinar registration page. This is where the funnel begins, with a professionally designed opt-in page where visitors can register for your webinar. And the beautiful thing is, you don't need any technical skills to use this editor. The opt-in editor is extremely simple and beginner-friendly. If you can read and use a mouse, you can edit this page. But honestly, you probably won't need to change anything because everything is already professionally done for you. Every section is already optimized and configured for conversions. Of course, if you'd like to personalize a few things, you absolutely can. Now let's move to the next settings tab, which is the Webinar Room. Click on Webinar Room. Right here, you'll see the Webinar Room interface where you can make adjustments if needed. But once again, almost everything has already been pre-configured for you. On the right-hand side, you'll find the webinar statistics showing how your webinar is performing, including the number of visitors, viewers who watched for 60 seconds, viewers who watched till the end, and more. You'll also see the webinar presentation link, which has already been fully set up. All you need to do is scroll down and click on Affiliate Request Link. This opens a new tab where you can request your affiliate link for the product you want to promote. Below that, you'll also find the vendor's Facebook profile and email address, making it easy for you to contact them and request approval. And if you'd like to learn more about the product before promoting it, you can simply click on the JV page link to view more information about the offer. Now let's move over to the Offer Settings tab. This section controls the call to actions that appear inside the webinar room while the presenter is making the sales pitch. Everything here has already been intelligently configured for you. Here's how it works. We carefully analyzed each webinar presentation and recorded the exact moments where the presenter tells viewers to click the link and purchase the product. Those exact timings have already been pre-configured into the system, so all you need to do is paste in your affiliate link. When someone joins your webinar and the presenter reaches the sales pitch section, your call to action automatically appears inside the webinar room at the perfect moment. Let me show you how that looks. Here's a preview of the webinar room. Inside the chat section, you'll notice the offer appears automatically at the exact time the presenter is making the pitch. Your audience can click the link directly from the chat, from the pinned section, or from the pop-up inside the webinar room. That means your viewers are seeing multiple strategically placed call to actions throughout the webinar. Every single one of the 51 webinar funnels already comes pre-configured with these timed offers using 3 display types: chat message, pin top of chat, and pop-up in webinar room, all perfectly timed to match the presenter's pitch. Again, all you need to do is insert your affiliate link and you're ready to start earning commissions. We also included an exit pop-up feature. If a viewer tries to leave the webinar early, you can redirect them directly to the sales page using a custom pop-up. Simply activate it, add your pop-up title, and insert your affiliate link as the CTAURL. There's also a video and redirect feature. Once the webinar presentation ends, viewers can automatically be redirected to the sales page to learn more and potentially purchase the offer. Once you're done with your setup, simply click on Save Offer Settings. Now let's move over to the AI Assistant tab. This is one of the most powerful features inside the platform. Imagine you have multiple webinar funnels running while traffic is coming in automatically. Maybe you're driving, sleeping, traveling, or away from your computer. How do you engage viewers and answer their questions? That's exactly why we built the AI Assistant. And not just any AI assistant. These assistants are already trained specifically for all 51 offers inside the platform. Once activated, the AI assistant welcomes visitors into the webinar room, engages with attendees, answers their questions intelligently, and helps guide them toward making a purchase. The AI assistant is trained directly from the product sales page information. You can customize the assistant's display name so viewers won't even know it's AI. You can also enable or disable auto replies anytime. And right below, you'll see 3 different ways to train the AI assistant. You can use a website URL, paste custom text, or upload a file. But the amazing thing is that the AI assistant is already fully trained for all 51 offers. So while you sleep, the AI assistant continues welcoming attendees, answering questions accurately, and helping convert viewers into buyers. Next, let's head over to the Integrations tab. This is where you connect your webinar funnels to your email autoresponder services like MailChimp or GetResponse. Click on Add More Accounts to connect your preferred provider. Every lead capture through your webinar registration page can automatically be added to your email list. And if you don't have an autoresponder yet, don't worry. All captured leads are still stored inside the platform and can later be exported as CSV files. The system also supports custom integrations for providers not currently listed, and more providers will continue being added based on user requests. Next is the Share Link tab. Here you'll find your webinar registration link and webinar room link. If you already have an email list, simply publish your funnel. Copy the webinar link or opt-in page link and send it directly to your audience. Here's what the opt-in page looks like. Visitors simply enter their details and click on Yes, reserve my free spot. They are then redirected automatically into the webinar room. Once inside, everything mimics a real live webinar experience, including live viewer accounts, live indicators, AI chat interactions, and automated engagement. You can even customize the host name to your own name. Now let's move to the Chats tab. Whenever attendees send messages during the webinar, you can manage those conversations here. Click on any attendee to open the chat interface. You'll be able to see messages from both the AI assistant and the attendee. You can also manually reply anytime. And the best part is, you can manage all of this directly from your mobile phone without meeting your computer. So now I'll be showing you the full traffic engine that allows you to generate floods of traffic to your webinar from various social media platforms. This enables you to post all types of content regularly across different social media platforms that capture attention and get you traffic, leads, and sales without having to spend a dime on ads. Go to the Promotion Settings tab and click on Open Posts within the funnel. The first thing we have to do is connect your different social media accounts. Here you can see my Facebook is connected, as well as Reddit and YouTube. To connect your account, click on Manage Connections or go to Settings by clicking your profile, then click on Social Posting. I'll go ahead and connect one of these social platforms, which is Instagram. Click on the Connect button, then click on Allow, follow the prompts, and you'll be connected successfully. As you can see, it is connected. I'll also connect more social accounts like TikTok and LinkedIn. Once you're done connecting your preferred social handles, head back to My Funnels in the Promotion Settings tab. Remember to click on Open Posts, and here you can see all our connected social handles. Now let's create a new post. Here we have different post formats that help generate traffic and grow your audience. Click on New Post. If you don't have any post ideas, you don't need to worry. All you'll do is click on Generate Ideas. Below, you can see the different ideas that were generated previously. When you click on Generate Ideas, it generates ideas tailored to the funnel you've selected. Hold on a while for it to generate. Great, a new idea has been generated here. Select any idea that suits you. After you've selected your topic or idea, here we have different content formats. You can see post, video, or email, such as promotional emails, follow-ups, or newsletters. First, let's select post. Below, you have the option to generate AI text and AI images. For this demo, I'll be selecting both. Then click on Platform Settings to proceed. Here on Launch Settings, you can see all the social platforms you've connected. You can deselect any platform or select any platform that isn't currently selected for posting. Under Publish mode, you have two options to review first or auto-publish. For now, let's select Review First, then click on Generate and Create to create and review the post. And boom, our content has been generated. The image is there and the text is there. Within the specific content you've generated, you can edit the content. Then once you're done, click on Publish, and it will be published to the selected social media accounts. You can also schedule your post for later by clicking this icon and setting the date and time. Now I'll click on Publish, and I'll head over to the selected platforms, which are Facebook and LinkedIn, to show you the published post. Great, our content has been published on Facebook and LinkedIn. Let's check it out. Click on View on LinkedIn to view the post on LinkedIn, or View on Facebook to view it on Facebook. We are on LinkedIn now, and you can see the post right here. It has been posted successfully. The same thing applies to Facebook. You can see the post was published a minute ago. The same thing happens with any connected account. So this is it. It happens automatically. You can connect as many platforms as possible and trigger posts immediately, and it shares across all your connected social media accounts. Now let me walk you through how to generate a video post. Click on New Post, select the post title or idea, then under Format, select Video. Select any avatar here that resonates with you, then go ahead and select the voice type. Next, click on Write Script. Here, the system automatically generates the script, so you don't have to worry. Sit back and watch it generate the script very quickly. Great, the script has been generated, and it is also editable here. Then go ahead to Launch and select or deselect the platforms where you'll be publishing your post. Next, select the Publish mode, either Review First or Auto Publish. Then click on Generate and Create. Automatically, your post is generated. Great, you can see the video post generated right here, which you can also preview before publishing to the selected social platforms. Once you're done, click on Publish. Great, our post has been published on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Let's go check them out. Here's the post on Facebook. Now let's head over to YouTube. You can see how perfectly the video is playing. All you have to do is set up the post, generate the idea, and the AI system runs everything for you. Remember, you can also schedule your posts. Just click this icon, select the date and time, and that's it. You can access and view your scheduled posts by clicking on Calendar, where you can view and manage all your scheduled posts. Back again, if you still want to scale and promote your funnel even further, you can also use our done-for-you marketing assets. Go to My Funnels, then head over to Marketing Assets. Click on Open Google Drive to download, and here are the assets you can access. These are professionally designed banners you can use to run your ads, along with different banner assets and attached promotional videos. So this is a powerful feature that we offer with 51 funnels, and it's all here to help you grow your audience and reach your target market. Now finally, let's move over to the Traffic Settings tab. This is honestly one of the most remarkable features we built into the platform. We spent a lot of time developing an AI traffic agent, designed specifically to help users generate real commissions with their webinar funnels. Here's how it works. Let's say you activate the Guru OS funnel. Since that offer focuses on AI course creation and membership platforms, the AI traffic agent automatically searches platforms like Reddit, YouTube, and Twitter for trending discussions related to AI course creation, AI communities, membership platforms, and similar topics. The AI then makes meaningful contributions to those conversations while strategically including your webinar registration link. This positions you as an authority while driving highly targeted traffic into your webinar funnel. And honestly, this works far better than random social media posting. To activate the AI traffic agent, simply click on Add Keywords. The platform already provides optimized keywords for every single offer. Click the plus sign to add them, then click Add and Fetch. The system immediately begins finding relevant posts across Reddit, YouTube, and Twitter, and starts generating intelligent engagement opportunities. Let's check out the AI auto reply settings. Click on AI traffic auto reply. First, connect your social media account, then enable auto replies for this funnel. Next, paste your affiliate link into the designated field. You can also provide instructions or a description of how you'd like the AI to respond. However, by default, it's already configured to make meaningful contributions and engage naturally with users. After that, select the account you want to post from and click Save Auto Reply Settings. This is the platform's built-in traffic generator. As you can see below, it's automatically pulling posts from Twitter based on the selected hashtags, allowing the AI to engage with relevant conversations and drive targeted traffic to your offers. You can even manually review AI-generated replies before posting them. Simply click on Draft Reply to edit the response if needed. And that's essentially how the built-in AI traffic generator works. At this point, you've basically seen everything you need to know about the AffiliMachine AI platform. I'm genuinely excited about what this system can do for users, and I truly look forward to hearing your success stories as you start generating commissions using these done-for-you webinar funnels. To view all your active funnels, simply click on My Funnels. And under the Leads section, you can view captured leads, export them as CSV files, and manage your integrations. So that's pretty much everything you need to know about AffiliMachine AI. Let me quickly show you the webinar room one more time so you can see everything working live. The offers are perfectly integrated, the engagement features are working smoothly, and the entire system is built to help you generate consistent webinar commissions.
Hey, it's Ben Murray here, and thanks so much for joining this training. And boy, do I have something incredible to share. Imagine this. You flip on a switch.
Great. See you on the inside.